Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to fix this Game Boy. I'm having some problems with the A button. It's a little sticky. I'm going to show you real quick what it's doing. See if I can zoom that in. Okay, here we go. Start it up. Now, if I press the button, A button, it's not jumping. But if I do it hard enough, as you can see, there's a little bit of a delay. When I press it light, nothing. I have to really get it in there. So let's fix that problem. Alright, let's dive right into this. Using here a star 2.0, could be 3.0. The lettering is faded. One of these days I'm just going to order another one, cut it here, and I'll hook it up to a drill. Make things a lot easier. Two more screws down here in the battery compartment. And of course, there's 2, 4. Oh, just this one. There we go. Set that off to the side. Now, we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver. This little one here is magnetized, as you can see, but it's just a pain in the ass to grip it. It's so tiny. I do have this other one here. It's bigger, but see, it has its problems. It's not magnetized, more time consuming. So you're better off with the small one. I think there was another one here, wasn't it? Could be wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So now, open that up real careful. Slide that over to that way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab these out of here and the buttons. And since I'm here, I'm not only going to do those, I'm also going to do these here as well. In the directional pad. Okay. I'm going to dip this Q-tip into alcohol, clean the inner of this chamber for the directional pad. There's definitely a lot of dirt on that, as you can see by that Q-tip. I'll even clean the speaker. Whatever you see as dirty, since you're already in here, clean it up. Make it look good. Now, since I have the Q-tip, I'll just grab another Q-tip and I'm going to clean off these areas of the motherboard. See a little bit of dirt over there. The up, downs, left, right as well. Now the other side, I'm just going to dry it off a little. And what I also do is I do the speaker. Make sure it's not soaking wet. Just lightly go in circles. Just to take off that surface dust and debris. There you have it. That should be good right there. Just go like this real quick. Alright, so now I have here a microfiber cloth. Put some alcohol on it. Clean away. That was the B button. Even sand in here. Those, nice and clean. Now what I'm going to do is just going to go in here real quick. Getting a little piece of debris over here in the corner. To get with a Q-tip. There we go. Alright, now time to put the stuff back. Now, I believe, let me see, AB, I think it's, yeah. Anyway, there's no way of messing up because these are marked, they're not marked, but they're spaced out, these little feet here. So, I know that this one goes here. Okay, right there. The other one here. These don't matter. You can go either way. But I like it with the numbers facing down. Okay. The directional pad. Other thing I forgot with the directional pad is just do that right here. Get these little areas where sand and debris get. Also, being dark color, it's misleading. You think it's clean, but it's really, in reality, it's not clean. Just get in there, do it, take your time. Alright, that's good. So, this is also marked left. In reality, it doesn't matter. But it does matter because, actually, there's a notch right there. Line it up to that. There you go. Oops, almost messed that up. Just remembered. And then, I believe I had it this way, right? So what I do is I just lift it up now, like this, and gently place it back. Get that speaker to get in there. Okay. And since I'm here, I'm just going to clean out the other side of the speaker. Okay. And I'm just going to go lightly over here where the batteries lay. Get that terminal. Clean whatever I see needs cleaning. Grab another Q-tip here. What I'm going to do is clean these pins on the back side. Now, to get the inside area, it's hard to get with this, but usually you just want to use a credit card or two with a thin piece of sheet, like a t-shirt, cotton shirt, but thin. Get your cleaning solution, put it in there, and wiggle it back and forth. Alright, this should be good. I don't have my air can. Gotta actually go buy some. Ran out. Alright, so now you put your screws back in. So, alright, that's where the magnet comes into play. One. I hold back on this side. That way I know where to stop. place them back into where it's circled. Not this other hole. There's another hole here, but if you put it there, you won't be able to put the cover back on. So just go back, take that out of there, put it into the circles, and that's it. Just gonna check out this cover real quick. Just gonna wipe it. It's actually in decent condition. Okay. Just making sure everything's alright. Always double check your work. Always tough to get in here. You have big fingers, but we make it happen. Okay, one more. That's it. Making sure this one is tight. Okay, yeah. All right. Place the batteries. The game. Since it's hard to see on camera, so let's put this on here. Light up that area. Full volume. Okay, let's see what we have. Let me turn this. Oops. Turn the screen so I can see. Okay, let me get that zoom in. There it is. Start. Now remember the A button. Oh, that already feels a lot better. Oh yeah. Start. Oh yeah. See? Now. So, let me see if the B works. I'm going fast. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Let's replay that again. Oh yeah. Can't see because I'm looking through the viewfinder. Let me do that one more time. See if I can complete this level on camera. Ah, I ran right into him. I guess I suck. But anyways, that is how you fix a sticky button, guys. Nice and simple. Thanks for watching. You guys and gals have a good one. I'm out of here. On to the next project we go. Cheers.